I used password 123 for everything until LastPass saved my digital life. And before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below to grab your exclusive 20% off LastPass premium deal. So picture this. I had the same password for my bank, my email, my social media, everything. And when I say the same password, I mean literally password 123, with maybe a random number thrown in when websites demanded it. Genius level security, right? Then one day I'm trying to log into my Netflix, and boom, someone changed my password. Turns out my brilliant security strategy wasn't so brilliant after all. That's when I discovered LastPass, and honestly, it's been a game changer. Here's what makes it amazing. LastPass stores all your passwords in an encrypted vault, so you only need to remember one master password. No more password 123 disasters. It automatically fills in your login info across all your devices, generates super strong passwords that look like a cat walked across your keyboard, and even monitors the dark web to see if your info gets leaked. The free version is pretty solid, but premium is where the magic happens. You get unlimited device syncing, which means your passwords work seamlessly whether you're on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Plus, you get emergency access, so if something happens to you, trusted contacts can get into your accounts. And here's the best part. Right now you can get LastPass Premium for 20% off. That brings it down to just $2.40 a month when you pay annually. For less than a cup of coffee, you can stop living in password chaos. So click that link in the description below, grab your 20% discount, and join me in the land of actually secure passwords. Your future self will thank you, and your bank account will definitely thank you.